Ever wondered why age spots seem to creep up faster as we get older? Well, today, we're diving into the hidden culprit behind this common concern, a mineral you might be missing: zinc. Many people over 50, like me, notice those stubborn brown, gray, or black spots appearing on their skin, especially in areas like the face, hands, and arms. These age spots, while generally harmless, are often a cosmetic nuisance. And while there are creams, procedures, and expensive treatments out there, what if the real solution lay within an essential mineral? In today's video, we're going to explore how zinc can work wonders for your skin from the inside out, helping to prevent and even reduce age spots. So, if you're ready to get glowing, healthy skin naturally, stick with me. Let's get started. Zinc is truly one of the most versatile and beneficial minerals for our health. It's involved in hundreds of essential enzyme reactions in the body, impacting everything from immune function to cellular growth and even our neurological health. But one of its key roles is in maintaining skin health, which becomes especially crucial as we age. So, why is zinc such a game changer for our skin? One of zinc's primary roles is in collagen production. Think of collagen as the building block for your skin, providing that firm, elastic foundation that keeps skin smooth and wrinkle-free. As we age, collagen breaks down more quickly, leading to sagging skin, wrinkles, and pigmentation issues. Zinc is a key player in collagen synthesis, meaning it helps keep collagen levels steady, which supports smooth and firm skin. Without enough zinc, collagen production can slow down, leading to more visible signs of aging, like fine lines and, yes, age spots. But zinc doesn't stop there. This powerhouse mineral also activates an important enzyme called superoxide dismutase, which forms part of your skin's natural defense system against oxidative damage, especially from UV rays. Since UV exposure is the primary cause of age spots, this is significant. Zinc works to stabilize melanin production, helping prevent excess melanin from clustering into dark spots. It even inhibits tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin formation, which further reduces the risk of these spots forming. Zinc deficiency is surprisingly common, especially as we get older, yet it's often overlooked. Unlike iron or calcium, zinc doesn't have a designated storage area in the body, meaning we need to replenish it regularly through our diet. But here's the catch: as we age, factors like digestive health and absorption issues can make it harder for us to get enough zinc, even if we're eating the right foods. Conditions like leaky gut syndrome, for example, can affect absorption, leaving people zinc deficient despite a balanced diet. Vegetarians and vegans are also more susceptible to zinc deficiency because the richest sources of zinc are found in animal products like meat and shellfish. High-fiber foods, while generally great for health, can also interfere with zinc absorption, as can certain medications. And if you're dealing with stress, illness, or inflammation, your body uses up zinc more rapidly, increasing your daily needs. The recommended daily intake of zinc for adults is around 15 milligrams, but needs can vary. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, beef, chicken, and foods like cashews, chickpeas, and yogurt. However, the body tends to absorb zinc more efficiently from animal sources. So, if you're vegetarian or concerned about your levels, a high-quality zinc supplement could be beneficial. Look for bioavailable forms like zinc picolinate or zinc citrate, as they're easier for your body to absorb. Remember, though, that any supplementation should be done thoughtfully and with advice from a healthcare provider. Zinc alone is powerful, but its benefits can be maximized when paired with a few other key nutrients. Vitamin C is at the top of the list. It's essential for collagen production and helps keep the skin elastic and resilient. You can easily get vitamin C from citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens. It not only supports zinc's role in collagen production but also brings its antioxidant properties to the table, protecting your skin from free radical damage. Copper is another mineral that works in synergy with zinc. Copper helps in the formation of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. Plays a dual role by aiding in collagen formation, so your skin gets double the support. Foods rich in copper include oysters, sesame seeds, cashews, and beef liver. Vitamin E is an antioxidant powerhouse that works alongside zinc to fight oxidative stress. It protects your skin from environmental damage and helps prevent the breakdown of healthy skin cells. Include foods like sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, and avocados to boost your vitamin E intake. Lastly, CoQ10 is an antioxidant that naturally declines with age. It's critical for cellular energy and protects your skin from oxidative stress. You can find CoQ10 in foods like fatty fish, beef, and whole grains, or consider a quality CoQ10 supplement. Together, these nutrients help maximize zinc's benefits for your skin, contributing to a more even, youthful complexion. While increasing zinc intake is essential, you can also use natural, topical methods to help reduce the appearance of age spots. Let's dive into a quick and easy DIY recipe that combines zinc-rich ingredients to create an effective, all-natural age spot lightener. For this DIY remedy, you'll need just 2 simple ingredients: baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, scrubbing away dead skin cells that can make age spots look darker and more pronounced. It also has mild bleaching properties that can help even out your skin tone. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that brighten skin and help fade pigmentation naturally. Here's how to make it. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to form a paste. Apply this mixture directly to the age spots, letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week, and over time, you should see a noticeable difference in the spot's appearance. Remember, you can apply this mixture to any area with age spots, like your face, hands, or arms. Just a quick tip: be sure to apply sunscreen afterward if you're treating exposed skin, as lemon juice can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. With consistency, this simple DIY remedy can make a world of difference in fading those stubborn age spots. Along with zinc, incorporating complementary nutrients like vitamin C, copper, vitamin E, and CoQ10 can provide added support, working together to improve skin health and minimize the appearance of age spots. And if you're looking to go that extra mile, our simple DIY lemon and baking soda treatment offers an easy, natural way to help lighten existing spots over time. So, as you look to enhance your skin's health, remember, these steps don't just target age spots, they support your entire body, contributing to a youthful, radiant glow that shines from within. It's all about building a foundation of wellness that shows on the outside as much as it supports you on the inside. So, there you have it, the secret mineral that could be the missing piece in your skincare routine. Zinc is crucial for collagen production, antioxidant defense, and melanin regulation, all of which play a role in preventing and reducing age spots. Remember, though, zinc isn't a quick fix but a building block for healthier skin from the inside out. So, focus on getting enough zinc through diet, consider a quality supplement if needed, and try out our DIY age spot lightener for some extra support. If you're noticing the effects already or decide to try these tips for the first time, remember, consistency is key. Small, daily efforts to improve your zinc intake and protect your skin can truly make a difference in the long term. And as we wrap up, please share your experiences in the comments below. Have you used zinc in your diet or skincare routine, or do you have any other favorite natural remedies? I love hearing your thoughts, tips, and success stories, as they inspire others on their journey to healthier skin. Finally, if you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and skincare insights. Stay radiant, stay healthy, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep shining.